So, hello again. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Stefan Siegloch, and I will present you today a case study from a big German auto club, the Auto Club Europa. And maybe you know the ADAC. It's the second biggest in Germany, the Auto Club Europa. It's a customer from us. We are working I think about 5 years now, and developing the online portal based on TYPO3. I would like to present you today what we have done, what extension we have there, how our interfaces are working, and first of all, I'm the CEO of one of 3 CEOs from Netfirmic. We are based here in Stuttgart, and this year we opened also a location in Berlin, where also our developers are working. We're at the moment 50 employees working with 3 technologies, with TYPO3, with Oxid, and with Shopware, and also doing the online marketing for our customers. At the moment, we are doing the concept for the mobile page for the Auto Club Europa. And one of our specialities is that we are combining e-commerce and content management within TYPO3. I saw there's another speech today. They are combining TYPO3 with Magento, or you maybe know the extensions where you combine TYPO3 with Oxid. We decided for the Auto Club Europa that we are implementing the whole commerce part also with TYPO3. We're working not only for the Auto Club Europa and for different companies, big companies like Deutsche Telekom or Alt, but also the VfB Stuttgart or Credit Plus Bank, and we do portals and e-commerce projects. Yeah, I said before, we're a TYPO3 Gold member, and of course, our developers, most of our developers are TYPO3 certified. Yeah, let's come to the case study. Is there any member from the Auto Club Europa here in the room? Yeah, one, thanks, great. Yeah. The others are from ADAC. Yes, one ADAC, another one? Yeah, you have to switch to Auto Club Europa, it's cheaper. No, it's not cheaper, but I think it's a better club, no. I'm joking. Around 560,000 members are in the Auto Club Europa. It's one of the leading automobile clubs. They have 270 full-time staff, and they have over 500 service points located in the European area, mostly, of course, in Germany. The portal is based on TYPO3. No Oxid, no Shopware, no Magento is there. It's only TYPO3. It's the website. We won an award with the page on the website of the year 2010 in the category automotive. ADAC was the second. Yes. There are over 15 different dynamic forms on the page where you can do some insurance or some ordering process or member registration process. I will show you later on that. There are about over 2,000 pages. Not the news. If you count also the news, the amount will be much greater. And we have a connection to the ERP system, Microsoft Navision, because the central system is Navision there. And also we integrated the Solar search in all the elements for searching the page. Yeah, I bring you a little technical building here. How about the structure there? We have a Navision there with some member data, and also you have the members and the mediators there. Also you have an address database, and you have some modular applications within the Navision software where the processes are made for doing the internal payment stuff or the order management and so on. And it's based on an MS SQL. You have several possibilities to connect to that MS SQL. First of all, we decided in a younger state in the project that we would like to do that with the Microsoft Message Bus, because Microsoft Navision is linked to the Microsoft Message Bus. It's an XML-based system where we put some XMLs and get some XMLs there and process that then to TYPO3. Later on, we added some direct connections also to the MS SQL with an ODBC and created some views within the MS SQL where we are getting some data. It's some performance issues there because we have a lot of data to process between the website and also the Navision. Therefore, at the moment, we're working with direct and with XML connections through the Microsoft Message Bus. I will give you a short overview about the structure and the folders we created and the data we are linked from the Microsoft Navision and managing within the TYPO3. We have some RSS feeds we are managing. We have the different formulas. We have some couponing and some local informations. We have events there. We have everything about trainings and courses you can book on the website. Of course, we have the e-commerce part with the online shop and the products. I will show you later. We have the whole informations about the different parts from the Auto Club there, because if a member is in some regional part in the Auto Club, there's a link to there, and we have also they have a offline PDF club paper each member gets, and also that is on the data link too. Also, we have the managing the redirects, of course, and the club memberships. You will get the presentation and have a close look what elements there in the back end. And all of that, we are linked to the modular applications on the Microsoft Navision, because if there's some new product maybe in the shop system, it's automated, linked to the shop folders. And if you have a new member, which is not registered on the internet, the registration process is also on paper, or you can phone to them and send them some postcard informations. New members also we are getting from the back end, from the Microsoft Navision. Let's have a close look to the front end we implemented there. I will show you the last presentation chart is the extensions we built there. I will show you the front end, because I think the front end shows what kind of stuff we implemented there. And I picked for today the individual stuff. I think you know TYPO3. Of course, it's a 4. I don't know at the moment. It's a 4.x version with long-term, the last long-term support version on TYPO3, and we implemented there the Solar search with some categories. You can filter that with search pages and news stuff. Also, we implemented the last search queries there, and of course, you can sort. I think it's an easy stuff. Also, the suggest layer we implemented on the web page. We have we say it's an intelligent partner area. It's a partner portal. If you are a service partner from ACE, you get an account there, and then you see which or how many members or how many parts you sell for each month and so on. And you can log in there, and the system recognizes the user and display it according to its individual defined rights to the available informations and so on. And you see some special information for your part. If you may be in the north of Germany, you get other information if you are in the south of Germany. And you also can manage all your orders there, which you do with your potential customers. And therefore, we implemented some tables where you find an overview of all referrals and all online orders which you are linked to. You can generate a PDF. It's a PDF processing engine there where you can create a PDF from the order and print it to your and send it to your potential customers. And I have put you here the layout from the PDF. It's created on the fly. We also implemented some statistics there where you see which forms and which partners do some how many orders they do for the Auto Club Europa. And of course, we implemented the formulas for doing the orders. Another thing is the site location. You have service partners from the Auto Club Europe, and there we implemented the Google Map, an individual Google Map extension, and we linked that to the database of car service partners, also with an search to postal code, to city and street, and the near find modus to the radius maybe 10 kilometers, where you get your partner areas. And also you can select there some services. Maybe you would like to do an Hauptuntersuchung or Abgasuntersuchung, and then you can put your request there and get the results there with the estimated time of distance. Also with a phone number, maybe you can phone there if they have time for you. And the partner service areas, that's a bidirectional interface. If a new partner is created in the Microsoft Navision database, it automatically syncs to the TYPO3, but you also can add it in the backend. All the partners, maybe they have no street information, and you can you can update the data. And if you do that, it's resynced back to Microsoft Navision. It's a little bit complicated there because you know, if you get some data and then you can change that and have to put back the data to the Microsoft Navision, we have a lot to do in that interface because we have to map which one is the right data field. But we manage that. We also have an interactive map there with the Google Map implementation of root services. We implemented there the Google Maps API, fully integrated to TYPO3, and of course that's not an iframe there. It's an XML web service to present on the platform the automatic calculation of the route to the service partners. And what we also implemented there is which one of you has take part in a safe driving training, Fahrsicherheitstraining? Anybody take part? You can go to the web page and look where's the next and where is the next, and then you also see if there's an if there is a availability, and then you can book there. It's a formula which is linked to the locations and the events. They will be in the system, and then you can say, oh, I'm a member or I'm not a member. Yes, if you are a member, it's cheaper for you, but if you are not a member, you also can take part in the safe driving training, and also you can pay here with some travel cards and so on. And if somebody fill out that form, we process that back to the Microsoft Navision. Yeah, it's a very, very linked and service-oriented platform there. You see also you have some couponing services there, because if you are a member of the Auto Club Europe and you log into the system, you see different prices and also add-on services. If you are not a member, you see that you see not everything there, not every service in every detail, because it's a great ride management there. In each module we implemented there, we have to look if the user is in group A, B, or C, and if it is a member or a partner and log into the online system, we show different areas of the website and different details in each module. Yeah, if you are a member and you would like to sign up for that safe driving training, the option box is pre-selected that you are a member, of course. Yeah, we have here some traffic, travel, automotive, travel cancellations and so on. Ja, die klassischen Verkehrsrechtsschutz, Reiseextraschutz, Kfz-Versicherung und auch Reiserücktrittsversicherung, where you can sign up for each of that, and each of them, that is an individual form where the process is started that you would like to get those assurances. Yeah, it's especially I tried the travel, die Auslandsreise, Krankenversicherung, or Reiseversicherungspaket, and you have here some tabs implemented, and you also can call there, and of course you have some add-on informations. And if you would like to make if you read all the stuff here, you can make your pre-order, and it's a very long formula with personal information first, and then you have some options for the right assurance, and then you can also assure your family members. You have to put in the names and the birthday dates. Then you can say when should it start, and some other checks will made there. And then if you say okay, go to the next step, you get an email, and then they prove that in the back end and say okay, it's not okay, and you will send an email if it's approved or it's disapproved in the back end. We make that first of all, we save the information in TYPO3 backend database, and then we process that immediately to the Microsoft Navision. There's a syncing process. We realized that with the scheduler extension in the TYPO3, and with the scheduler extension we pushed to the Microsoft Message Bus. I think that's the Microsoft Message Bus. That's no direct connections to the ODBC connection. That's another form there with the automotive car assurances, and there you have to put also some information about, are you a driver under 23 or over 23? Maybe you know that if you do some assurance online. There are heavy forms, I think, and also the usability is not so easy for the forms, and you also have to process that, and you have some must fields, and you have some need fields, and you have to check if the people are entering the right information, and so on. It's a lot of proof processing there. This is a very big form. It's the biggest one we have on the page. That was first of the personal data, and now you get some car type, car data, and of course the several assurance informations with, like the Schadensfreiheitsklasse you have at the moment, and if you would like to put that over, and on which assurance you had before, and you also can do the further add-on assurances there. Yes, and then you get with your member data, if you are logged in, you get a number there, and it's a Neuvertrag, and maybe it starts, and then you are not doing the order directly, but you say, please make me an offer. You send all the information to the backend, and then they process that, and then you will get an offer from the Microsoft Navision there. Yes, a very, very important process on the website is to become a member of the Auto Club Europe. It's also a process which is supported by several online marketing things. They do Google AdWords marketing, they do search engine optimization, and they do, of course, affiliate marketing for that form. It's the form with the best usability, because there are a lot of new members. Yeah, it's I'm not allowed to say how many members per day they are getting with this form, but it's more than one, I can say. And we do some, I think in the last 4 years, we did 3 or 4 versions optimization of that form, and also the details. And yeah, if you start there, you can say you get a starter package or the normal membership, and you of course has to put there your personal information, and then you have some add-ons. You can also do the Rechtsschutz and the Reiseextraschutz within your membership, and you can say how would like to pay there, and of course then you send the form. And in some cases there are, if you sign up for the membership and you're getting approved afterwards, you get some, I think the speakers today also get some gadgets, and also the membership with an auto club is also some gadgets. Sometimes you get a voucher for your next traveling, or for some hotels, or you get some stuff for your car, and you also can select that within the order process or the sign-up process. Yes, and then another big part in the Auto Club Europe website or portal is the fully integrated online shop. We learned the Auto Club, first contact to the Auto Club was, I think it was 2005, and there they had a Microsoft Navision online shop. It's a completely parallel online shop which is directly linked from the Microsoft Navision ERP system, and in the launch from the whole portal, we decided that we would like to integrate all in one world into TYPO3. Therefore, we took the, I think, commerce extensions. They are not kind of good. They are not good enough for that portal. We have to upgrade that with a lot of features and some add-on extensions. And nowadays, you can see a fully integrated online shop with products, with special search within the online shop, with some offers on the start pages, and of course you have 2 groupings, because some articles are special conditions if you are a member. If you log in with your member user informations, you get other prices in the online shop. Not for each article, but for a lot of articles. You see there. Here's the price for the not member and the member, the same, but in some products you have different prices if you are a member. We also put that in the public area, because if you would like to shop there, you get some information if it's cool to be a member. But you also can shop there without the membership. We had a search implemented. The search is a special sub-search from, we also realized that with the Solar search, but it's only for products. And of course you have some categories where you can search within that categories. Here you can buy the österreichischen Vignetten to travel with the car. And there's a special kind of product, because you have also to put a date there, because if you travel to Austria, maybe in 2 months, you can buy today your vignette. Yeah, and then the classic order process with card, individual data, payment, and order confirmation. We go to that. You can order as a not member, or if you have your member number and your password, you also can log in there. And then you pay with normal payment. At the moment, they are thinking about paying with PayPal, of course, but they normally would like to pay with the membership cards or with standard payment. You can sign up for the newsletter, of course, and that's it. That was the short overview about the individual modules, and the last chart for today, before we come to some questions and answers, I will show you how many individual extensions we implemented there. Yes, we put our own media library there because 2009 the standard media library from TYPO3 was not good for that project. We have all the data informations. We added own FE login extensions for the sign-up processes and also for the membership. We have the first login process, few first-time login, and the register forms. Okay, we implemented the news. Let's get there. Here the Sprit-Umwegrechner. If you do some other route plannings and so on, then we have a very big extension is the form extension. Then we implemented our own e-tracker tracking extension, because there's an e-tracker is the web analytics system, and all the goals on the web page has to implement it because not only the membership sign-up process or the shopping cart process is to measure that in the web analytics system. Then we have the Google Map API, some helper classes, and of course we have the commerce extension, but we also extend that with some with our own extensions and do some stuff. And of course the scheduler we also using in that project, and that's not all the extensions we have done there, but that's are the most extensions we have individually over the last 4 or 5 years implemented to that Auto Club Europe system. Yes. That's my part for today, and maybe you have some questions about technique or some questions about you don't understand maybe something, and please ask. No questions today? Okay, and we'll all get to sign up to the Auto Club Europe after that speech, and I get provision for that, and then it's okay. No. Yeah. Then thank you very much for listening to me, and have a great day today. Thanks.